So the Leadership Symposium is our opportunity to identify and develop leaders within the society.
Putting together a 2.5 to 3 day event where the participants can get exposure to and learn as much as they can about the organization, as well as learn about leadership.
The American Welding Society has 22 districts that our members are organized within, and each of those 22 districts have the opportunity to identify one representative to attend the Leadership Symposium and serve as the representative of that district.
The process was actually really neat. Everybody was telling me about this Leadership Symposium. They were like, yeah, we're gonna nominate you, we're gonna nominate you. Well, I don't wait on people. So I kind of like self-nominated myself, but I still went to the district conference and I had to leave the room and they voted. I was the one that was picked, so it was pretty cool. When I came back in, they're like, you're going, and I'm like, yay.
Our professor is really great about keeping us up to date with new things AWS is doing, whether it's scholarship or opportunities like this. He gave us the application, I applied, I asked him for a letter of reference, and I was super nervous. I was like, I'd really love to go to this, but I go to a small school in the middle of Montana that no one knows about. So I was like, my chances of getting in are slim to none. The day I got the email, I was getting ready for class, and I immediately stopped getting ready so I could call my professor and call my parents and be like, I got in, I'm going. I was super excited.
The addition of that student member category just a few years ago, our membership committee had a very thoughtful choice to make there of how we can ensure that the population that's participating in this leadership symposium is as diverse as possible, ensuring that the younger generation has a voice in the experience.
I've loved just what I've learned from the leadership perspective, and then just even getting to network with people all over the country has been amazing.
Coming down here, I've met so many people from so many different places, so many different backgrounds, and it's been very cool to just make those connections, make those friends, and be able to talk about how to build a career, how to build a name for myself in this industry before possibly starting my own business someday. And I've just had a lot of advice given to me from people who've been in industry for 20 plus years.
I was expecting it to be a little bit more nerve-wracking, and I was expecting it to be a little bit more, I want to say, intimidating. But it actually, as soon as we started, everybody started getting along, everybody had different ideas, and it's pretty much like a giant community. Everybody makes you feel welcome. It actually helps you open up, especially if you have ideas and you sit in the back of the room, and it feels like a community, so you kind of open up and share your ideas.
I don't think there is one type of leader. I don't think that the word leadership should be associated with just one type of person. There's definitely more female leadership, more diversity coming up, and I think it's amazing, and it's really opening people's eyes, and I think overall the more diversity we have, the better this organization is going to be.
We've had more than 600 individuals go through the Leadership Symposium, and it continues to grow and evolve each year to ensure that we're providing contemporary training and response to the needs of our members, and continuing to ensure that we're providing them with knowledge and leadership skills that'll help them lead into the future.